Okay, gentlemen, I did the emergency launch. It looked like there's somebody there at the fences there on top, so I just want to fly the drone quickly there and see what the heck is going on there. It seems like there's somebody there. I just want to go see, because as soon as I get closer they will run. So I'm taking the drone up, high up, and see, is it people or is it something? So, because you know, sometimes I'm getting old so I'm seeing stuff that's not there, but that in the distance I can see far, but that in the distance looks there's somebody there. So I just want to make sure it's not somebody there, because that's the fence on that side of the Rustenburg Kloof side, that side there. There's always people there putting snares, so I just want to make sure that if there's somebody there, it's on the others, it's not on the inside of the park. Okay. Alright, it looks like a rock. Yes, but it looks... Am I at the right place? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's a rock. Can you believe that? Sure. Okay. It's just a rock. Amazing. Alright, let me go closer. Actually, now I made a mistake here. I frightened the animals because I thought I saw that thing moves, and then people just jump out, get the drone up, and then you just see animals running, and I don't like disturbing them, but I actually did it for their safety. Okay, so the drone is there doing his thing. I'm just gonna drive closer. And anyway, I'm gonna check that fences also, because they not like to put snares there during the night. So the people, what they do with the snares, they don't want to kill the animal instantly. So what they do is they let the snare catch the animal, then the animal will be there for 2-3 days on that snare, still alive. Because if they catch an animal and it dies instantly, by the time this criminals get to the animal, the meat is already rotten. So they use the snare to catch the buck or the animal, and then it suffers for those 2-3 days till they get to them, and then they slaughter it, and then they kill it. But then the meat is still fresh, stressed up but still fresh. So this is how they hunt it. That's how they do. So for me it's cruel. You know, I'm a hunter. You don't do that. You get a buck out of its misery quickly and get it over and done with. So, and then you don't stuff around with animals like that. I just want to turn the drone around and look my direction, because now it's still right, okay, it's fine. So you don't want to do that. I mean, it's terrible if you let the animal suffer like that. If you can just catch these people, you know, makes it so flippin', it will be so easy. The world will be in such a better place. I must pay for my hunting, but these guys, they don't have to pay. They just come and take whatever they want, and it's not even, and they don't even do it legally. They don't even do it with, just let the animals suffer. For me, it's wrong. I don't like that. No, it's a rock. Yes, son. My eyes are deceiving me. I still think I'm young, eh? But, I must start looking the reality in the eyes, because I'm done. Still trying my best, but I can't see anymore. Look, I can see far, but there's some things that always playing tricks with my mind. I see something and then go investigate and then it's nothing. The same thing as yesterday. That's why I don't want to take it too seriously. The animal that I saw with a snare and limping, it might be, it might not be. So now I need to be extra careful, because I always will react to it, whatever I see, even if I doubt. I'll just make sure. If it's wrong, then it's wrong. At least that I will know. But I'm not just gonna leave it because I know now my eyes, I can't see, like it's too far or whatever the case may be. I will still go investigate it, because I might really see something. So don't forget that if you think you saw something, go investigate it, because you might have saw something, you know. So go check it out. Don't let your eyes deceive you. Go check it. Maybe there is something. But anyway, I'm gonna bring the drone back now. I just want to go closer there. I did drove this road the other day. Just want to see there's some pikey here that's not lekker. Oh yeah, there's my little road. I don't want to go that side. I want to fly the drone from that area where it is now. Alright, I don't want to make too long videos at once. Let me just go investigate from that side, and then I'll check that fences on that side. Now I'll drive back that side to go check on that side if there's any new snares or whatever. Sorry guys that I disturbed you. You ran away now. Yeah, you see, I'm not threatening. I'm not a threat to you. Alright guys, see you just now.